Welcome to Vital Longevity, where your health gets hacked, your energy goes up, and your mind gets blown. Deep in the heart of your kitchen lie two unassuming heroes, turmeric and ginger. Alone, they're powerful, but together, they're unstoppable. Today, we reveal how this dynamic duo can transform your health in ways even science finds hard to believe. Grab your cape, it's time to join the Super Spice Squad. For thousands of years, turmeric and ginger have been respected as natural remedies. Each carried their own powers. Turmeric for its golden glow of anti-inflammation, ginger for its fiery zest that soothes and strengthens. But their greatest secret was yet to be uncovered. When scientists combined their forces, they discovered something extraordinary. Turmeric and ginger don't just add up, they multiply. Like two superheroes teaming up, their combined powers soar beyond what they could achieve alone. First up, their legendary anti-inflammatory power. Together, they reduce inflammation 3 times more effectively. Your achy joints and sore muscles don't stand a chance. While most remedies mask the pain, this duo repairs and rebuilds. Your joints feel rejuvenated, like they've been given a complete renovation. And here's a hidden gem. Ginger unlocks turmeric's full potential. It's like giving turmeric a super boost, ensuring your body absorbs all its health-boosting goodness. Ever feel like your digestion is under attack? These two work together to repair your gut lining, shielding it from harm and creating peace in your digestive system. What about your brain? They've got that covered too. Turmeric and ginger are like bodyguards for your memory, keeping your mind sharp and clear as you age. And for those wild blood sugar swings? Not anymore. They bring balance to your body, keeping your energy stable all day long. Here's where the magic gets even better. In introducing cellular renewal. These two don't just fix what's broken. They help your body create fresh, new cells, keeping you vibrant and energized. And for your heart? Oh, they're real-life guardians. They team up to protect your blood vessels, manage cholesterol, and ensure smooth blood flow, giving your heart the superhero treatment it deserves. What's a superhero team without a powerful shield? They supercharge your immune system, helping it fight smarter, not harder, against colds and illness. And the final superpower? Feel-good energy. No crashes, no quick fixes, just natural, lasting energy and happiness. This duo works with your body to make every day a great day. So, are you ready to unleash the Super Spice Squad? Your health will thank you. Have you tried this powerful duo? Share your experience in the comments. And if you're ready to unlock more natural health secrets, like this video, subscribe and join us next time. Stay super!